Hi everyone, this is Dr. J and thank you for your order of our hand sanitizer. And I know that a lot of people have questions on how to open this little guys. It seems to be the most difficult amongst all the different size and shape bottle that it comes in on our hand sanitizer. We apologize that right now, due to the scarcity of all the bottling company that don't have enough supply, we end up having to resort to different color, bottle size, and shape. So how to open this hand sanitizer is really easy. So I hope you watch this video and that will help you opening up this bottle. So how to open this pump is that you have to make sure that it's tight, it's closed tightly. Hold the base of the white pump and then twist it in counterclockwise. Then it will pop up. You see? So that's how you would open this bottle. Thank you and good luck and stay healthy and be safe for Dr. J.